Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make time warp in Geometry Dash. Time warp is a powerful tool that lets you manipulate the speed of your level, creating unique challenges and visual effects. To begin, open the level editor and navigate to the Triggers tab. You'll find the time warp trigger there, ready to be placed. This feature allows for incredible creativity in your level designs, offering a fresh experience for players. Now, let's add the trigger to your level. After selecting the time warp trigger, simply tap anywhere on the editor grid to place it. It's best to position it where you want the speed change to begin. Double tap the place trigger to open its settings. Here, you will see several options to customize its behavior, allowing for precise control over the time warp effect in your Geometry Dash creation. Within the trigger settings, you'll find key parameters. The time value dictates how long the warp lasts, measured in seconds. For instance, setting it to 2 seconds will apply the effect for that duration. The speed option adjusts the warp's intensity. A value of 0.5 creates a slow motion effect, while 2.0 doubles the speed. Experiment with easing to make transitions seamless, enhancing the player's experience. For advanced techniques, try combining time warp with other triggers, like move or rotate, to create synchronized effects. Placing several time warp triggers in sequence can produce dynamic, multi-stage speed alterations throughout your level. Don't be afraid to experiment with extreme speed values, such as 0.1 for super slow motion or 3.0 for intense speed boosts. Creative placement and varied settings will make your levels truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.